yafa game and the OPM was San Siro and the AC Milan at the Apem Sudan Summer at how at the two Jano na anu dene o hwe UEFA Champions League so far bra watima ball and the watima ye se watima hwebida ana wontimi hwebida de ko ye nie bacho mama yenten sama opanyevan at how at the two Jano
at the stadium, the atmosphere, in a sense of managing in this environment. But I always think when the game kicks off, it's not in the forefront of your thoughts at all. What competition you're in, what ground you're in, it's the game and making sure we're competitive and we can execute our plan onto them and we can be the best version of ourselves that we can be. So it's probably something you think about maybe before briefly and afterwards, but definitely not during.
Will the players have a walk around tonight or?
I know a Newcastle United. I'm a boss, a friend Eddie Howe. And what is all in St. Peter as a Jumano on bet try your just some beautiful game. I'm a bear come and watch it and a Sandro Tonali. Obaka will say coffee of AC Milan and a Johnny Tima Jeffreno and Newcastle United. Nayente Sama Tonali Edituga.
Well, this summer has been hard. And I've had a difficult start. At the beginning it was not easy to find my place at Newcastle, but I've found people who supported me since the very beginning and they are still helping me. So after the first match I felt at ease. I thought that everything was downhill all of a sudden, so I was happier thanks to the help of Mr. Ho and thanks to the whole staff.
And no air quite fast so Ramo Newcastle United now all ball air staff now so a quite fast so settle na no more dene as the man in days war AC Milan or can some kakra so the far na and watching a Roma legend bako Edmund Newcastle United and Alan Shearer as so at in Sambia to ga na and some Alan Shearer there to no yente kakra.
I'll be watching like many other thousands of Geordies. They worked so hard to get to the Champions League last season, so I'm sure the players and the fans will enjoy it. And I think they can qualify out with a group. It's a brilliant group to be in. That's what the Newcastle fans want, and I'm
and you Alan Shearer no was so Jidema Pasakene there Newcastle United bet me advance from group or more atimi akwa demuno no Jide said na so mbebo adwuma kama e o San Siro enu yansama Alan Shearer di tudwa owie na pemo Zlatan on say encha no retire from football na AC Milan wa ye adwuma da mo no so the message e ma AC Milan team no.
Sono andato subito a mister per dire che sono pronto a giocare domani, invece non ero sulla lista, anche se mi sento bene, in forma, scherzi a parte. Continuate a tifare Milan, andrà tutto bene e ci vediamo al stadio. Ciao, arrivederci.
I know a reference Zlatan Ibrahimovic no and obetwa so be hu obi San Siro or the support no ma opanyini players na ma bibia so aye fine enu yan somebody to dwa owi ani ebusa opanyini Stefano Pioli ne o ball against a team Jeffreno Newcastle United na odi to dwa.
I do owe the fans one. I owe them something because last season, when we really played badly, they always got behind us. And I've always thanked the fan base for that. And I owe them something because now I've become the Milan head coach that's lost the most number of derbies in this calendar year. But we'll...
Obakanano Debbie Della Madonina or J. Ashen Horn or Cassaso ne Noma Pibet Mercy no be Dobetimbia at the Abuatim no watching a Kao Tomori, Yobzan and no be show run never Sandro Tonali no, none of Milan, Diana Wokafano.
To see Sandro again is going to be nice. No, we played a lot of games together. Obviously, won Scudetto together. So, yeah, it's going to be nice to see him again, especially so soon. But I think us as a team and him personally, we're professionals, and once we get on the pitch tomorrow, I guess that friendship or that companionship is put to the side, and both of us are going to try and win the game.
Ebeye Febeya Kono, Ese Obese Sandro Tonali, Ewo Agopramano so Omunam Fono, Ebeye Jumanu and somebody to the channel song, Esananu Debbie Della Madonina, Ana Milan Debbie Toja Inter Milan, Echitrede Swa AC Milano, Lana Paurama, Netimefan AC Milan Stefano Pioli, Ediramuno, and there, 3 changes, Ebetimo Ram, Usha Echirewa, Lobi Etisa Abrante Fikao Tomori, Ebetimi Ababa Bashas, and watch Malik Chow, as you Ebetima Babe Bobi, Sasson Chow beats a Christian Pulisicha, on Subetima Shase from bench, and no air so far thereby, yet the Amam and Neo Jumadian so, now Urama Yan Trasofano pay, Uramo San Siro, sudden atmosphere, Esitia Watano, Esitia Uchana, Ano Pay San Siro, and I sensual egu ahead of the gamer, Ebetoja and Neo Jumadian so, Nashanan song, as send the game Ebetojano, Jessia, Esimlan Bashano, a bit different from the Moshadibo Serie A. This is, natural Jessia Nombashano, Ninana Socha, Jessie Numbasano, Omo de Calania White, and the Dinusia White, Ushad on the ball Serie A, and no air black from the air, Ninana say, almost on the celebrate 20th anniversary, Ushad the last time, on the UEFA Champions League, and year 2003, Abramuchi Juventus or Old Trafford, a show more penalties, through an Omunia and Champions League in the Bassa 20 years in here, and on the Jesse Fufro, and best celebrate Tamabia, as what my fine, and into a different Jesse, and a AC Milan, Omubeshe, and no idea by a Jamo, as what them and Ewood Median so, young Romanian train their games outdoor, a best sign Atoja, no Pima young boys, a Bebo RB Leipzig, and you're 4:45, and watch about 7 p.m. Barcelona, Royal Antwerp, na young Barcelona, Bibiansi a possible lineup, no, young fan to Ghanian, no Piasso and your fan fine, goalkeeper Macandre Testagen, João Cancelo, Jules Kunde, Andres Christensen, Alejandro Bade, Frankie Dion, Ike Gondohan, Sasua Gavi, Rafinha, Lewandowski, Joe Felix, or more NB chance at Demo Barcelona, no Roman Shannon, Esa Ora, your friend Ike Gondohan, or Rana Casa, was sister or Chop and never Javi, so on a touchline, Nasa Gemu Koso, no paying air Casanoma instructions are, or will no be a similarities, to say, Pep Guardiola, Esan Wakano, or Penny Air Boy Juma Papa, and New Summer, or Jet to Ghana 2024-2025 season, Bassa, or Muted Jessino, a Timely Kiami Beer Diamant, said the Ebeko, and the Daswa, a short air sleeve, and no at the Dawaye Jamo, as for Adama Munano Pay with Median so, na young Ram El Final, Omni Celtic, Edward Pimso, and say Champions League gamer, and about 7 p.m. Ebetoja, na and watching the Joat, or no air goalkeeper, or Dam Edma Celtic, Bobo Econo, na Joat, the Busan, and the Champions League night, then I'll be ahead of the game.
It's an amazing competition, one that you grow up watching, you grow up enjoying. Myself personally, when I was growing up, you didn't have that much access to European football, so in terms of league football, obviously it's quite easy with YouTube and various channels now, but I can only talk from being a young guy watching the Champions League, the excitement.
And no Joat, no former Manchester City goalkeeper, and no PMO Celtic or Kwawe to final. Now, or they are to just say a bad Champions League night, something special. And you are some there to the and manager, your friend Brendan Rodgers, as who Kasai head of the game was say a debut of Mojama. I was saying no Mudanadi.
Stylistically at this level, we want to play the game to our DNA, which is to be aggressive when we're attacking, and to have that conviction when we attack, and that all comes from when you defend. You have to have that.
Nessa, I don't know what attacking football, so Champions League, said Omobo Scotland, and no and summer Brendan Rodgers, as we are to try Timamo, let's go Madrid, and no air 7 p.m. and never took her, and watching about 7 with Itiada, Manchester City, and Savannah Vevda, and at the Eber Pimso, and your game ever took her, and a Pep Guardiola, as so Akasada Faka Walker, a Basan Kasamo Ramo, a Bamunchina, when now the training session, Senate City.
The day one for the preseason, every training session is more focused than ever. It's yeah, he proved it again. Always he can do better, but the terms of consistency is not easy because play 90 minutes against England, and after come here play 90 minutes and so demanding game against all the wingers from West Ham are so fast and quick, and yeah, he responded really well.
Nurse Kawoka, yes, Obeko, when young qua or Bayano, the concentration be piano, kama training Oguswa, when come at Manchester City, and watching about 7 p.m. Shakhtar Donetsk airport against FC Porto, and so a game about to draw and now, yeah, so far, young betting companies, no, I'm favorite to win the Champions League on Sunday officially, now, year odds, no, Manchester City, odds in the so far, favorite some bet magic Champions League now odds plus 200 Bayern Munchen plus 550 odds the moment Real Madrid at that tether plus 750 Arsenal at the fourth just Arsenal fee your favorite some bet magic Champions League now and we are plus 1,000 odds and Barcelona at the fourth and we are plus 1,400 odds and a PSG at 1,400 odds and a Manchester United at 2,200 odds and Atletico Madrid 2,500 odds and Inter Milan 2,500 odds and na you trust so far fee UEFA Champions League who win sika onsa ebetimaka who win game bakubia UEFA Champions League group stages game bakuba be win bia no ska onsa beka 2.8 million euros and onsa beka o draw game bia 930,000 euros and our draw game group stage man sabaka 6 games obono group stages in no utimi winning na 16.8 million euros and omdema and what you qualify to the round of 16 and 9.6 million euros and then so omdema and you so far the froba ye jam the group stages Champions League top scorers about Champions League group stages omatma more goals no opiema Messi was 78 goals Champions League group stages see Ronaldo 73 Robert Lewandowski 61 goals Sasha Karim Benzema 56 goals Sasha Raul Gonzalez 53 goals and Ruth Van Nistelrooy 50 goals Thierry Henry 38 goals Zlatan 38 and Alexandro Del Piero as 33 goals Omuneba Champions League group stages Omasha more goals Amabia as Kama Diamete Mikel Arteta and about 3:30 p.m. on in Central Phobia now what Timmy in a press conference head of APSV game china the Pimson I'm a Piazza fine and no dear banner Yamipa now Trevia a North London derby now no more London Fashion Week you are brand tire friend Bukao Saka and son Nenya Fedagro Omuto dressing Ekuku and Yamipa Sante Ombesha our North London derby Tottenham and Arsenal Pimso and no dear by Jejamo as to Adama Munyanko by Monique Yanya Jumamamo when himself by UEFA Champions League by Monique the last 34 games my ball group stages now and not just Soma Lusubakukra Ebesha Manchester United and United Betibia Jamcha by Munchen train and opay etimia final trainer ahead of a China gamer Manchester United as to Pimson and no and air travel screen Opiama Sofa Leon Goreska 1 year Brante Opamicano Sasuna Kingsley Coman and Rafael Guerrero Omunaya available Ometma Badjama Bamunchimbobo Kono Yara Thomas Tuchel Abrano O supervise Omu training nano pay Abrano Bamunchin trainer Thomas Tuchel as a supervise training trouble Pia Kama Onuna Tassan Hurricane see training Kama Emma Pia fan pay ne touches in the Bibia as with the dumb Sokua or trouble Piazza fine and no idea by ye Jamo as Adamo Nano pay with Median so you were eating Mamina Jumamo Opiamo Empolia and Opea after say Roma Chom 7-0 no Oma Pamo Posa ye friend Paulo Zanetti Omo Apamum so far 4 games Oma Bono were losing were considered 12 goals Oma Pamano and what Thomas Selko for Panina Yefan Andrazoli Oma Kofandi Naba wake up for the 4th timer was Sabaya Jumada Ama Empoli Bobo Kon first manager Sir Oma Pamano and you're doing some Emamano in Tamland Omuted Jessino Omuso Ediaba Emma and Noa Omudun Sempi Betuga a pound to ma Ucha in Tamlana Omuted Jessin Bay Orange Ness Ultra shorts no and socks no and you be orange Jama Bipia as so I kama and no and that's why ye jamo as so Adama me Ramos C Ronaldo na so ya diaba and so Ramos C Ronaldo and ya there's a World Wrestling Entertainment WWE and Panyu for say air crown Jewel Free Wrestling Show about 2 November Saudi Arabia no or mama special invite as a guest Misun Kumalewa Ronaldo but my Roma Bipia so I fine and no Adiaba Al Nassar Bobo Kono Omusudo Ted Jesse for the this season Omatimi Diaba Nike and a year at Mama Usha current season a Jesse near fair Jesse now Kono Jesse at the dome and we Al Nassar Bobo Kono Ted Jesse no and I'll buy ye Jamo as so Adamo now Pima at Dinazad the maintenance so for Gusu El Madrida on in the family no if you comfortable na and yes Onyetimo offers in banner bam the morning in the family nanije says open kwa Belgian club your friend Saint Gilossi at me offer ba was onye ready on fam why papa biam fam awamo and no edeba ye jam edamano Juventus almost them Paul Pogba says open abra Nasi Ronaldo ewo Juve baby no any training feel na no no on say Paul Pogba ewo equipment on what you training almost owo ekwekusi 5th October ekwesi say sign counter analysis no on betuma issue edaba ama bia fans no be so Pogba on be na tena so akodem te Juve ebeja no kwan Juventus on board of directors no on so be approve 2022-2023 budget no basa deficit be 115 million euros ebetuma pampanyi for say how omo gide so administration no omo to qualify for Champions League ebetuma bomo scat melba no edeba na Branta Manuel Lukatei on so no contract extension no Juve for a year damana kwesi 2028 on be increasing salary aso damana mabibia aso I fine and no edeba de emamo el Jumadian so Manchester United asam aba say so pemo staff no aso concern aso panyevan Eric Ten Hag ni agenta your friend Ekis Voss that's why involve el player recruitment some Manchester United for the top players agent ne can be and over Eric Ten Hag ne banner for Niger no aso account be among crofobua fu papa esa de no run no and no edeba de emamo now kwa Chelsea akwafe Romeo Latvia also we train wa kwa Tristan Anker on so medium to be set na fie ebe 1 man tan so be siakan at ama Chelsea what Messi akan at ama Chelsea on bobo eku no and no ede fro eba ya de emamo na no pay na Roma Fabio Grosso on said to him so no they said your Olympic Lyon adwuma no mudama na obe chama bia kama enra ni first training otimi supervisor ye any team no ama bia so ye fine be bia so ko kama eso edima team no eno na join on Sompa TV or no any players no edaso kama nra otimi supervisor group ama ama bia so ye fine eno ede da edima na Kylian Mbappe the meeting na no pay so owura no ya de so jatum sane loyalty bonus no enya de so obeji on sane ko so obebo ede ama APS bema oje loyalty bonus the meeting sa ode be cha obebo adwuma no eno kyeresa sama obetimi afitim num na se ba bi ope no wode nani akye eno edeba ya de mam yenyina so na small do ebobo no ena no pay e wo full time dwumadie no so no ya touching it down breaking it down no yem fancy a
wahwese wakosho akodi dwa ahodo baskets ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yakasira wo se untimi chance ya chance na ma na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yakako bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia o be ya de say o be dial star 110 hash netua kakọ merchant bia ho e wo network bia so enia Vodafone.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
First days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with a grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top-tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrady office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Ifia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you ranks to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Introducing Pick 4 from Game Park Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times a day to become one of our daily winners. More moolah, more power. Play online at www.gameparkgames.com or dial *946# to play. Game Park Games is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. Pick 4 from Game Park Games. More moolah, more power.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na mekomu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan komo Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manane relaxation aye de. Awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Seche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a ewo Ghana fana nyina. Free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Suma wacha, suma onyamija.
Ai, onyamija no beso. Omayiri yawo edubuachi. Onyame akwa. Ya wieye bre. Wade tumi asene no. Wo free food for thought. Adehye nyina. Ene yankwankwa bi a how done so. September Liberty Conference. Epebaso. Na bebaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries. Kumasi Harper Road. Asemu ayakasa ho. Ye free asomafo se. Etie no mo. Chemumi no. Akopem yensa. Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3. Saneson. Say we a burning of arrows. Part 2. Anapano sia pepepepe. Kopem bra ho kunkun bejaye. Eye dame 30th September. Kumasi Harper Road. Ajumtofo edi jumtu. Beji jumedie ya papa. Minister Sete Champa. Yema mi mebel ochre. Aye kwa. Any resident worshipper. Minister Kwame Jedu. Wobet sojom. Aji jumedie ya papa. Entrefi. Sa how be daus. Amanie be daus. Odan be daus. Ewiye onyame di tomi. Amani boy. Omayeni. Yaw edubuachi. Na sada no. Bronsam so na obenya pa. Esani say. Onyanko ponwa. Eje Abraham hu na chiri. Not soon ni di tete kwa fra boa. Kwadu kwaduma. Kankane a odan sebo. Wo peyi adwuma. Nyame ma. Edi ahofedie. Ebekoye fie. Bra. Liberty Conference September edition. Oh, glory, hallelujah.
All right, Mama Dina, yet to us, Michael Akomia, Nana Jenfiaba, Yabenia Ramna, quick one on birthday special, I'm Bobo. So happy birthday in Quenfama, or say Kusi Andrews, any Andrews in that. Now, Andrews, ya inia bakwa, a bomodi, Jume, your no sono, the Timia Bobby Kama pa, Drona, Airfena original guru, and Kanino, a Jumapa, now a sports presenter, ne, Uruanichi mo, Wenchia, na Jesse, Subin Sono wa, in your bridge, so Andrew, happy birthday in call, and Farmer bro, na Nyamisha Papa, a special one and call, and Farmer Pastor Joseph Nadan, na ne Uruanichi ma Unity Temple Assemblies of God, and wa Commandant, Ola ne Pastor, also Pastor, happy birthday in Farmer Nyamisha Papa, na Nyamanda Yesono, and Timmy and Farmer na Bibia, and Kuyi Kama so and Farmer na Dr. Obin Albudu Aqua. Na emeze miame kapu pa Vic enkane ne wo fidie ma ne bra no zo doc orwani nyechiemu ewo Cape Coast Teaching Hospital na ese surgery department on wo bo adwuma doc nyame hia pa na omwa na adwuma pa na okoso no tokoso abonesa so Vic special one ko emfama na bibia so no end the year pa entimi emfama na special one ko emfama Ebenezer Frimpong Manson siwe de ma Royal Barbering Shop orwani chiemu abroad ko no wodi miame chama Royal na yo no nyamisha papa wai no mboa no nyo akoma so ade mfama na meze ejuma de ubobi pa Royal special one room fama na nema and the year so no entimi emfa emao yanku ya nimina the other one so no Evelyn Osei it is here even so no na order so Evelyn Osei happy birthday enko entimi emfama as you know Christ Foundation Ministry International na jeze nomoze onaye Sunday school teacher o so if enkwada no nyamisha na koso ana choma de pa na omunjo mo na so na nema enko ye kama so no entimi emfa emomo ebizo nko emfa makachi akusua Jemfua enisu ya kicha akusua Jemfua ne da Felix Delight enso si enko entimi emfa mantino na Jemfua ewo Accra orwani nechima ona so no obomode ebo sesen so special one nko entimi emfa ma na nyamisha papa na bibibia so end the year so emfa ma na Kwame Owusu nesu ya Kwame soro ne da Kwame eye jumo talent microfinance service limited wedum ona Kwame also Kwame happy birthday nko emfama na nyame enhia papa na de opibia embra mu fama no hima ekia nsafo apepra also ne eye onso no oda so hima happy birthday nko emfama nyina be penyipa na de opibia so no embra mu kama so no entimi emfama na bi nko emfama Terry Opoku Ajiman Christ Foundation Ministry International na jeze financial secretary no nesu ye ne da zo nyamisha papa na niamande da ye kama so no entimi emfama open kese na bibia akwa emfama na Philemon Washington Terry do na efreni JT oko untumi TV a na as producers ne ba kono kwabra ene yoda zo kwabra happy birthday kwa emfama nyamisha papa na bibia so no mramu kama pa entimi emfa ema na niamande da dizajuma na si ti yakwa anim na mehwe eno pimpa na bana me no ento aso na niamande da di mezi ana bibia boko de
nyame adom ahwe ni experience abudia bibia de di
na Eric Ten Hag yes yana
o say Luther story no obeye no me pese ye bomu tofa na ye tifo ni ahwefo nyantiase about the ekoso of Manchester United efa issue raise no anajo ni true story ni fe Matt Hughes on a chief reporter edema the Daily Mail football ewe England na ono ne exclusive o de buy no ne ye say amanfo ahodo na abu ofu Manchester United staff ni bi bu ofu maso mu nwinwi kakra say Eric Ten Hag agent involved in a lot of deals ewe Manchester United abro sa buy na ono ankasa de be fe ne Niger ososo no omo di tumi say ono soso ewo mu chefa bi anaso ebibi oba abu de wom nyina ani Eric Ten Hag na ankasa ne nipo managing the Phoenix Voice and I want say a search consultancy a consortium Serge. Na Keith Voss no nie on the manage Eric Ten Hag bibia wo ye bia. Na say Eric Ten Hag betima bibi wo Manchester United in terms of soccer to player bi ni ade ade. No mu ye intermediary bi ono no mu yi no. Na story no ne tenten ne soro ne form ne tietie nyina ni. Abu Dhabi. Keith Voss no ba Manchester United no. Enye ne e no be negotiate deals for Manchester United.
Oh okay.
Ono ene ye intermediary elidi Robin van Persie ni ba Manchester United. Ono ene ye intermediary edi Danny Blind ba Manchester United. Ono ene ye intermediary edi Memphis Depay dey e ba Manchester United. Iti what's the dia trend na eba Netherlands for djumadi omudi dodo na hodo na dodo na surround around search consortium na omudi djumadi no. Na Keith Voss no ejina mu bi ebo ho ban e make sure say nyom ban ne betintim. Now on the story mu already 3 deals bi na o influential wom. The edikan Rasmus Højlund ni move from Atlanta to Manchester United. Ono ene ne abrante ne kasa ya ma abrante ne be join omu agency no. Ano negotiate the deal between Atlanta and Manchester United as an intermediary. Ano man buy. Amrabat loan from Fiorentina to Manchester United no. Ono ane say gina fifin di mu ntintiman. E ma so fra na Amrabat deal ne ye de buy. Ana Zidane Iqbal from Manchester United to Utrecht. Ono ane gina mu yes a particular negotiations ni ma abrante ni free Man United ye dey. Ekoye. Na ne tintin ni tietie nyina na say we agency asuye pa. Omo manage over 600 athletes. And definitely ne there we are there within the setup no. The agent no say to there na so mo kofa player bi na wo so mo tena table so di nkomo a Abu Dhabi ono ana betima akono akwakobo abi no makwakodin nkomo. But what does he say? This same agency na nkasa no Pierre Guardiola na nkasa ni nua ewom. Now, almost sign Guardiola the next agency way in 18 months. So Guardiola is also part of search for no. Ano mudi juma. It is a appear no so but Guardiola na Man City player bi. Na player no so search ani nua no so ye dey. E dey no gym. Ne ba no wom na wa be piem ni nyina na se ne ba no analyst.
Oh okay.
It's a koto player ne ba na analyze player no ye turn ne ba ne future value be say. Ye ka say ye turn agency ni benya say all of these things ni wom. Ah mudi di juma. It Keith Voss one is not new to Manchester United doing deals for them. Number 2 Keith Voss because he's part of Serge now one negotiating some deals be on behalf of Manchester United for Eric Ten Hag no. On one managing no. People are peeved. Say the entity also to me yes sir. Number 3, this is an agency who managing over a lot of players. And 45 intermediaries report to me by see obi jina mu edintiti man and negotiated deal be for players no. Serge no mu mbebre. Last season Premier League no the Musiti aim na free January 2022 basi February 2023 ano mu ni say the Jumadi no wedi do na ade Manchester United na confirm brand nyina na Abu Dhabi say sad the way cost na staff na ni nye ho a me baby am gina say the bigger problem ni now comes from the football structure of Manchester United because some more proper sporting director and now some more proper footballing structure within the club money kon we expertise so betima ya adwuma menya sure say eduru mremu eden a e wo say coach agent ene timi kwatena baabi ene obi kodi nkomo e make sure say price ne ye beto so anaye nto so ana so obeboa ama move no etimi go through baabi am free ba no de to so mienu Abu Dhabi ye be hwe ne say agent no dodo na abu afu because na nkomo bo Manchester United apo or ton player ama Manchester United a no agi agency fee na okoye intermediary na ogi negotiation fee be de all Pogba situation here example iti enu na sesi ana dodo na anya ndi no ana omubu afu se ase bibia o Manchester United bia o person mo de mark his voice iti omo so asori e briefi iti a 2 against 1 agents and sub staff
and on sorry omo kutia no. Oh okay,
but these are things in big clubs Abu it is normal.
Mate
Luis Campos go PSG there no here
same baby or fan crew for the omo ba na nkofo e kan wan
the relationship with who we Mendes
oh in crew ni
the biggest problem there say players no mo dey ba no amfa
oh ze bi o twimudi but the omo baby a result in here
that is it
we know of Holland no
of Holland.
Oh okay,
his voice for Holland it's no team negotiating most of the Dutch players need deals no Abu see move on it's a Champions League night na and empire ebedwa na after the first round of games me prediction be mo mbesa ko final Sompa nipa and a group of me produce a finalist this year me ba betudwa after the first round of games now Abu and a ball 445 na first game bekoso 7-time champions AC Milan omune Newcastle and the AC Akaina Abu Dhabi Newcastle way ayo first time is so mean campo and then they will need to do a lot to make sure say they stamp their authority on the competition by playing against someone a competition in the year. Now the other kind AC Milan are frustrated by the results of Munyan and Nanwada against Inter Milan. But to regain confidence, these are games you need to set up and make sure so beat me arena. Key players: Mignon, Theo, Tomori, David Calabria, Theo Hernandez, Loftus-Cheek, Krunic, Tijani Reinders, Samuel Chukwueze, Olivier Giroud, Rafael Leao. On the part of Newcastle, probable lineup: Nick Pope, Dan Ben, and then Dan Ben was someone papa because Dan Ben is coming up against Samuel Chukwueze.
Edimpa.
Aha. One battle I mentioned no. Botman, Fabian Shah, Kieran Trippier. He adds enough experience to the team because Onu Onim said the city were both the England national team led actually. Sean Longstaff, Bruno Guimaraes, or Testibi. Then Sandro Tonelli, who was with AC Milan last season, abroad over the semi-final. Another experienced player, despite saying the age in the warfare. I want to bet me a Anthony Gordon knew Isaac could be there because of some level of experience than Miguel Almiron. But at San Siro, me 2 years say AC Milan, e wa upper hand. It will bet me a AC Milan win. Anytime goal scorer for AC Milan, Rafael Leao. Anytime goal scorer for Newcastle, Isaac. So ne bet me that particular goal in them. But double chance AC Milan and over 1.5. Paris Saint-Germain ni Borussia Dortmund crucial encounter. Bakwa Jibida, Bakoso Breso Beji. PSG under Luis Enrique has not been blossomed this season. Performances now is slow. As an young said, I'm picking up in Famomo. Wait a bigger test the Momo. Say French League and I over against Nice moi. Adia Paris Saint-Germain need you pass on Mobegino. Say Ligue 1 and I will lose and form. But for the Champions League, they need you to make a statement. And they are coming up against a Borussia Dortmund team. More enough quality to make sure somebody media stop you with Lucas Hernandez, Milan Skriniar, Marquinhos, Akraf Hakimi, Donnarumma. Manuel Ugarte will be starting his first game for Paris Saint-Germain and then Zaire Emery, then Vitinha, Kylian Mbappe, Gonzalo Ramos and Ousmane Dembele. They were wasteful throughout the weekend. They need to prove a point at Omuhomo against Borussia Dortmund. Anytime goal scorer for Paris Saint-Germain and Kylian Mbappe. Anytime goal scorer for Borussia Dortmund per the Alana PV, Besimbani, Schlotterbeck, Matumos, Wolf, Ubenya Sabetsa, Emre Can, Brandt, Adeyemi, Sebastian Haller and Malen. The experience of Emre Can, Sabetsa and Matumos who play a key role for Borussia Dortmund today have enough men. They will score. It will be a game with both teams to score. One team will both teams to score now, so try the EKC call Paris Saint-Germain double chance at over 1.5 for fee. Anytime goal scorer for Paris Saint-Germain, Dika catch or Kylian Mbappe. Anytime goal scorer for Borussia Dortmund, Karim Adeyemi, say Abu Dhabi, obetimi as your goals in the amount. At Lazio, Atletico Madrid, Lazio, I feel almost a bafufro. Luis Alberto, Zakagni, Immobile, Anderson, Guendouzi, Daichi Kamada. But do they have enough firepower against Atletico Madrid team Abu Dhabi? Almost one more Bebre, almost them. They have a very good coach, our experience in the Champions League, and Diego Simeone experience in the Abu Dhabi. You need to do a lot, and they are eager and they are so aggressive. Can Lazio match it? Lorente, Barrios, Niguez, Antoine Griezmann, and Alvaro Morata. Key players for them today. Enough battle to make sure somebody may test the back line of Lazio. This is a game I make a double chance Atletico de Madrid. And now say this game over 1.5. Anytime goal scorer will be Antoine Griezmann for Atletico Madrid. Anytime goal scorer for Lazio will be Ciro Immobile, Ubetimiako. And then Barcelona Eyefala. Abu Barcelona Eyefala. Against Royal Antwerp. Eyefala. Abu Barcelona have enough firepower to score against Royal Antwerp. No matter the form of Royal Antwerp. I also want to miss on the door. And Abu, anytime goal scorer for Barcelona game, no Robert Lewandowski. Barcelona home, ubetimi a handicap 1 against Antwerp. Barcelona handicap 1 against Antwerp. All of them so are said the Barcelona to be on much no. Antwerp betimi ba benya go through Abrante Fene Jansen. Okay. On phone pa. Anytime goal scorer for Antwerp biano, ebe Abrante Fene Jansen. Ubetimi akọ for him. And also Bukari eba Etihad. Abu City be almost fala. It's that game so there. Manchester City, ubetimi akọ. Ube handicap +1. Who was on a handicap +2. City bet mama rest have a grade bear 4 efio anytime goal scorer Abu Dhabi for Manchester City ebeye Ellen Holland or Jeremy Doku in that particular game 4 rest have a grade trust you me I wouldn't be surprised so munya go na se be fi Osman Bukari won aba
Mate, medal se party area Michael Akomia Bishop Abebe ni ram na mo Lucas Travel Consult zemenka. Emfa choza kwenya baso be ram amanone usika semonde da dinkra. Canada, USA, UK, France, Greece, Germany, Netherlands baby etis Australia. Mun common is simple. Oko ye juma kwa kusia de kre boaje scholarship e ma oko tana. E simple maka uniska fre. Ni omu ni nkomo, omu yo bibia wie na visa ne ba. Na wabomode atwa usika, wajo passport na wa ram ti fa number no. Na ni omu 0534 543 210 0534 543 210 Tema Golf City obenyo omona ne omakasa se ne passport na ape birth certificate bank statement de ka kan obedi wanim na abaetimi edia ma kwenya so aba edia ma so organa na ejuma me baba oboso no wonim dia obedwoni omone omabo ejuma marketing manager sales personnel receptionist administrator shop attendant house help and accountant ne de ka kan wono ye brani aboana ne ma de di so etimi era ma Enesteba industry semenka see the quality herbal product abidjama so a ebeboana sisi amanema koye pa etimiera mabako eye NS ointment no ze no ye baby girl ohonam no ISS stretch marks agere aboso aya na ensheda nya kono boys ni hu eputu omo off e wozo onya bi na odi frifoma na eboana honam no eni toso pimples ajuwe ni maboso wayu ti no ana wayu abodwe seranse wanso bi aba bego na ntama propro ena afi honam no nka kakra e wo honam afi so no honam na ni ebisi basa se koku na esisi baby ena udwa wi na ho ye ohena otiwi no so pa na epa obomode nya NS ointment ni na de forma ebebo amatiwi na fu from omo a ena de awake natural capsules na ba eye de mama ne mema nyina na tiriye ebebo na nkwabo no ama na hoden sonko pa ne oye be ma we mre wo mpam na afi so no oye oba ohun se owa na de bi efi wase we ba na afi so kra no be ma prosti ne ma de da yodwun so obre na wakono na aba form na oba bosome so na ne ma nhyara de da ye pharmacy obunsa awake natural capsules ne bebo na miare so no eyi etimi de fio kama pere ma oba ma akwara no fo entimi embo modern enyusubi na afi so nunya emfrendum fie no dumi no a onso ntimi nyusu na afi so mpemfo so no entimi nyusubi ti fa number na kan ha ne embo 0245 079 915 0245 079 915 na 0276 53701 0276 53701 ka ha ne mboa na ne man de din printimi emfama kra orwa ni chiemo kan shi drug lane na babo modin ya bi ko for idia ya babo modin a pharmacy dodo na ona nkoko kaso a eni kumasi ano ya boa na ne man de din peda man tima menko alpin para ba na ye to aso ni ere ne mezi bishop na bibia aboko de
ye mi ra bibia dadin
Yewura mu kakre